Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Here in today's video, we're going to go ahead and talk about how to solve the overheating issues for your Nothing Phone 1. Now, overheating issues is one of the common problems that happens with most of the Android users. So if you are using a Nothing Phone 1 and for some reason, let's say when you play a game, when you talk with somebody, and when you just look to use your phone for a certain time, if you feel like your phone is overheating, don't worry, just relax and watch the entire video and learn an easy way to solve your problem and make your phone cool down a little bit. So let's get started and see how it works. Now, first of all, we're going to talk about the application that you run every day. So what happens if you are using a lot of different applications on a Nothing Phone 1? Every time you open up an application or apps or games, whatever that you opened up, so all this application remains in the background. So you can simply remove all this application from here. The next thing we're going to talk about that third-party application that you might have. Now, before you delete any third-party application here's what you need to do. Just tap on settings and scroll down to your battery here, tap on battery usage. Now, what happens here, if you come down here, well, this chart is going to show you which application is taking more charge. That means the application can be the reason for your phone to overheat. So all you got to do is just go ahead and take a look at the application that's causing the problem here. Now you can simply take a name of that application, get back here, open up your app library here, tap and hold this application and tap on delete, and just simply uninstall the application. Now, some people complain they have a problem when they play games and charge their device at the same time. Now, this is a big mistake for most Android users. If you are playing games, your phone will get overheat. This is a common thing, but if you are charging at the very same time, then your phone will get overheat. So there's a simple recommendation here. When you're playing games, don't charge your phone, just play it, and when your battery is, let's say, around 20%, stop playing the game, charge your phone, and your phone should be fine. So let's say you want to know more process to know how you guys can literally stop the overheating issues. Then the next things we're going to talk about is your storage. And so you can open up your settings on your device here, scroll down to your storage, and take a look at your storage. Well, now if your storage is getting out, and if you are running out of storage, then first thing first is just go ahead and take a look at the things that takes a lot of storage up. If you're using too many applications or games, then I highly recommend you to just delete this application and games from here to get some free storage. Or you can come exactly the same spot. You can tap on free up space, you can tap on continue here, you can tap on clean, tap on clear here, and then what's going to happen, this is going to delete some of the junk file from your device to give you some free storage. Well, still, if you have a problem with overheating issues on your Nothing Phone 1 here, the next things I'm going to talk about is your Glyph lighting. Now, if you are using these features on your phone, and if you're using it extremely, then this issue can happen. So all you guys got to do here, you can simply open up your settings on your device here. You'll be able to see this option called Glyph interface. Go ahead and tap on there, and here you will see this option. Even you can choose the brightness if you want, so I'll choose the low one. And also, if you want to turn these features off, you can turn it from here, or you can be more specific for your ringtone or notification sound. You can even open up those ringtone or notification sound from here, and then you can choose a ringtone. Once you choose the ringtone here, you can also toggle this on where it says, well, Glyph light will be disabled, and tap on save, and now your Glyph light won't blink every time you get a call, and that will eventually help you to solve your overheating issues on your Nothing Phone 1. If you still have the problem with your phone about overheating here, then the next thing that you gotta do, just go ahead and open up your settings on your device there. Now you want to just look for the new software update for your device. So you can scroll down to your system and you can tap on system update and check for the new software update. So these are the process that you guys can follow to solve your overheating issues on your phone. Now here's a quick bonus tip for all of you now. Please try not to play the game for over a period of time. That can cause the overheating issue. At the same time, trying to place your phone directly to the sunlight, well, that also can cause the problem. At the same time, try not to use the metal case, which are so heavy. Often that can cause the problem for overheating issue for your device. So this is the process that you guys can follow to solve your overheating issues, and that's it. Now, if you, after following all the process on your phone, if you still feel like you got a problem with your device, we highly recommend you to communicate with the Nothing support to get further help. I hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.